everyone and welcome. Today we are going to do a full body workout and we're going to get it done in only 15 minutes. Let's go. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Deborah from Journey to Wellness, where we work on eating healthy, moving well, and just living our best life. And today we are going to do a full body workout, and I'm going to show you that you don't need to spend hours at the gym. We're going to get this entire workout done in only 15 minutes. Please remember, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up below, comment, let me know what you thought, and of course, please hit that red subscribe button and the bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. The original format of this video was a live workout that I did via Zoom. So if you see me kind of going in and out of the camera a little bit, talking to a few of my participants, that's okay. I want you to keep going. You're going to get the added benefit that you're going to have a timer right about here, and that you're going to get to follow along with that the original participants didn't have. We are going to do 50 seconds of exercise followed by 15 seconds of rest. And we're going to get all of this workout done in only 15 minutes. So if you're ready, we're going to get started right away. So this workout doesn't include the warm-up, so if you want to press pause for a couple of minutes, get yourself warmed up, just marching in place, you can go ahead and do that now. Alright, so if you're ready, we are going to get started. Let's get this workout done today. We are going to start off with a plank. So what I want you to do is we're going to get down on the left side. You know what, I know we don't necessarily like planks, that's why I put them in early sometimes, just to get them done and out of the way. You'll be thanking me that you did. So if you're ready, I'm going to flip over to that live workout and we're going to get right into that plank. We're going to start off 50 seconds on, 10 seconds in between, a left plank. We are going to go in 6 seconds. So please remember the elbows directly underneath the shoulder. You can either go up on the feet or stay on that bottom knee. In 2, 1, bring it up. Nice and tall. I can't remember if I said 10 seconds in between. 50 seconds on, 15 seconds in between. And you're holding, so whatever your variation is perfectly okay. You can be up on your feet, you can be down on this knee, you can be on the knee with the leg up. Your variation, whatever yours is. That's it. Really good. So for those of you that have joined me late, we're gonna need a set of handheld weights. Not absolutely necessary, but it does help. And if you have a stability ball, there's one exercise, a hamstring curl, that we're going to use the stability ball, but I'll give you the variation. If you don't have one, you can do it on the floor. 8 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Bring that down. We're going to do that one leg deadlift on the right, so you're going to need to stand up with one weight. So right leg is supporting. Weight is either in both hands or choose a hand is perfectly okay. From here, you're going to drop the weight down, bring the leg up, and come back up. So there's some balance happening there, right? That's the hardest part of this exercise, is balancing. Balance is so important. And it starts to get really important once we get mid-40s, early 50s, and beyond. When those hormones start changing, our balance starts to get out of whack. Really good, keep it going. And I'm going to tell you, you ask any late 60s, 70-year-old, 80-year-old, 100-year-old, you ask them what's the most important thing that they need, I can guarantee you they're going to tell you balance. Last one, mine's all over the place. Good. All right, grab your other weight. We are going to get down on the floor for a chest fly. We move really fast through these, right? It's only 15 seconds in between. So you're going to come right down on your back. The weights are over your chest, elbows are soft. You're just going to open up at the chest and squeeze. Open up at the chest and squeeze. That's it. So I'm not bending my elbows throughout the motion. My elbows are soft, but I'm opening up at the chest and I'm not bending my elbows throughout the actual movement. The elbows aren't changing position. Really good. Keep it going. That's it. My door is in the way just a little bit on my left side. That's it. Really good. You can also do this on a bench. You can do this on a stability ball. For those of you that have done my stability ball class, you know that we can do this one on a stability ball. Adds a different component. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful job. Please come on up. And we're going to do some skipping. grab your imaginary skipping rope. You can make this imaginary skipping rope as heavy as you like. And we are gonna skip it out. You can either do 2 feet or 1 feet, right here. So you're either skipping here, or if you're trying to do low impact, you're here, but those arms are still moving, right? This is a low impact, but fairly higher intensity skipping, or you're here. Find your level, find what you can do. Really good. That's it. Beautiful, keep it going. And you can play around with this a little bit. Sometimes I'll go 1 foot skipping, right? Always switching it up, switching other leg. Play around with it, it's okay. Make it yours. Really good. We have 12 seconds left, and then we are gonna get back down onto the floor, and we are gonna get that other side plank done and out of the way. Then you don't have to worry about them anymore tonight. Side planks. And relax. There is probably a front plank coming. All right, let's come on down onto your right side, please. Right elbow directly underneath that right shoulder, either on your knee or your feet. You find your variation. 2, 1, bring it up. Good. Nice and strong. That's it, reach it up. Beautiful and strong. Excellent, find your level, do what you can. You're always trying to work just outside the comfort zone, right? That's where all that magic happens, where you improve your strength, where you burn extra calories, where you burn stored body fat. You always do that just outside the comfort zone. It does not happen when you're in the comfort zone, I'm sorry to tell you. I wish, oh, how easy would that be? Wish it was. 7, 6, 5, after this we are gonna stand up, we're gonna do that deadlift on the other side. And relax, good, bring that down. Good, so go, grab that weight again. We are gonna do the deadlift with the left leg supporting now. So left leg, find that balance, ready? Let's go. I know it goes fast, I know. Please remember you're listening to your body. If you need more than 15-second break, you are welcome to take a longer than 15-second break. You need to listen to your body, right? It's just outside the comfort zone. It's not all the way in the next province outside your comfort zone. You need to make sure you have approval for that. Keep it going. Really good. Down. Bring it up. 12 seconds, let's go. Ooh, find that balance. Nice and slow. Slow makes the muscles work. Excellent job. All right. Okay, we have those plank hover, pushing back into a downward dog. So down on all fours, please. Hands directly underneath the elbows. On your knees, toes digging in. You're gonna lift the knees off the floor just about an inch, that's it. You're gonna hold that for about a count of 5 seconds, and then you're gonna push it back into a wonderful, mine is a semi-downward dog tonight, and then come back down. Hover, then push it back. Really good, do that again. Hover, and push back into that downward dog. Each one seems to get a little bit better. Bring it down. Anybody who's been with me now for a while know I'm notoriously tight in my hamstrings. And I have to be very careful with that because usually tight hamstrings can cause back problems. So be careful. 5 seconds, push back, downward dog. Come back down, hover, and relax that down. Beautiful. Grab one weight. We're gonna do an overhead weighted side bend. Feet a little wider and hip distance apart. Knees are soft. Weight is up above your head. Biceps are by your ears. Core is tight, and you're gonna bring the weight to one side. Really think about stretching that side of your waist, bringing it up. Other side, stretch, bring it up. I believe we did these Sunday morning in our Weekend Warrior, right? Sometimes the classes smush together. I try not to repeat any exercises too many times in 1 week, but it is important to have a little bit of consistency. It's finding that balance between consistent exercises, so you get used to the exercises so you can perform them properly. You don't want to be like learning a new exercise every single time, but you want enough change so that it's mixing it up for your body. So I hope I can provide that for you all. 2, 1, bring it up. Oh, good job. When I turn my toes in, and I think about, pretend I have a chair back here, and I'm gonna sit back into that chair. This leg stays straight, that toe can come up, you sit back into that butt cheek, come up, then sit into the other butt cheek. 2, 1, let's go. Down and up, down and up. You don't have to go this low, right? Or you can go lower. I don't know if I can do that tonight. I might get stuck. I've done that before and I've got stuck. So if you can, right? You can come down. Now I do it on one side, I have to do it on the other. And bring it up. So you don't have to go that low. Here, down, there, and down. Really good. Excellent. 20 seconds left, you're doing good. Really good. 12 seconds. Excellent. Keep going. Stretch that inner thigh. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Grab those weights for bicep curls and calf raises, please. So from here, the weights are by your sides, tucking those elbows in. You don't want to swing the arms. As you do a bicep curl, you're also going to come up on the toes. Let's go. And curl and come up on your toes. So up on your tiptoes and a curl at the same time. So if you struggle with balance, you will notice very quickly when you come up on your toes, there's a balance component there, right? Trying to find that balance. Tuck those elbows in, curl, bring it down. Really good, you're doing amazing. Good. Keep it going. Beautiful. 20 seconds left. That's it. Good. 10 seconds, you're doing amazing. Keep it going. 6 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Lay those down. We have some butt kicks to do. So you can do, with the butt kicks, you can either do marching or running. 3, 2, 1. If you're running, you're here. If you're going a little slower, low impact, arms again up above the heart, pulling that foot back. Trying to kick the bum. Okay, these are butt kicks. This isn't, kind of in the air kicks. Butt kicks, pull. And if you're running, you know, maybe even put your hands there. See if you can hit your hands. Come on. I like pumping my arms. It kind of gets me just a little bit fluid motion. And of course, it's getting the heart rate way up. 20 seconds left. Keep it going. You're doing so good. So remember, it's your variation. You might have started here and then your joints or your bladder went, please stop. So you listen to your body when it's doing that, right? We have 5 seconds and then we are getting back down on the floor. We're gonna do bicycle crunches. 2, 1, good. If you have your stability ball, this is where you would grab it. If you do not have it, then you're just down on the floor. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna keep my stability ball really close. I'm gonna start on the floor, then I'm gonna grab the ball. So if you're on the floor, heels down, toes up. Let's go. You're just gonna push up and come back down. Push up and come back down. Every single time you're squeezing your glutes. If you have the stability ball, feet are up on the ball, hands are down, up, curling the ball in towards your bum and rolling out. I'm gonna do a little bit of both here. I'm gonna stay here for a little bit and I'm gonna come back down. That's it. Pull that ball in if you can, if you have it, or pressing those hips up as high as you can towards the ceiling. That's it. We have 20 seconds left. Keep it going. I'm gonna move that. I'm gonna go back to that floor. So I'm still working the glutes. I'm still working the hamstring. I'm squeezing and pushing my hips up as high as I can. We have 8 seconds left here. Oh, we have a good one next. Yay, you're gonna love it. Let's go. And relax. We've got overhead tricep extensions next. Feet a little wider than hip distance apart. Core is really tight. You don't want to arch your back here. The weight's going to go up overhead. You're going to drop the weight down, let's go, all the way down behind, and extend it all the way up. That's it, down, extend it all the way up. That's great, that's beautiful. Keep it going, really good. Core's really tight. Even if it is only 8 pounds that I'm holding up over my head, if I let my abs go and I dump into my lower back, that's 8 extra pounds I'm dumping right into that lower back, and we don't want to do that. And yes, your right arm is probably feeling a little bit more tired than your left arm right now. Have patience, we'll make the left arm just as tired. I know that doesn't make you feel better. Let's go, 12 seconds. That's it. Oh. 8 seconds, and we are going to go into a cardio again. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful job. Final exercise of the workout is our little agility side steps. So we're going to pretend we have something in the middle, like maybe a ring, and you step to one side and you step to the other side. Step, step. Let's go. So if you're going slow, this is it here. And that's fine if that's where you are now to finish the workout, but if you can, try to go a little faster, make it a little bit bigger, get the arms involved. This is our last one. We're just trying to get that heart rate up for the very last time. Don't think about it too much. The more you think about it, the more confusing it's gonna get. Just go side to side. It doesn't matter. Nobody's looking at you. I can see all of you, well, I can see all of your squares on my laptop. I am not wearing my glasses. I just see lots of things moving on the screen. I really can't see you. Keep going. Really good. Almost done, 10 seconds, go, 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 go. Come on, get this done. 4, 3, 2, 1, and walk it out. Good job. Excellent job. Please walk that out. Let your heart rate come down. Walk around the room if you have to. And there you have it, the workout is done. How was that? 15 minutes, are you kidding me? It went by like that. Now you can get on with your day. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please remember the thumbs up, the comments, subscribing to my channel. All of that helps me grow my channel, so I would really appreciate if you would do that. And I can't wait to see you next time. Go make it a fantastic day. Live your healthiest life, live your best life, and I will see you again soon. Take care.